pretty awesome place. If you look around here, you can see where the white line is. That line was made in 1983 at the high water mark. It was the last time the water flowed over the overflow on the other side there. So for the last 19 years it's been in a drought, and that's why the water level is where it is. Look at the size of the overflow pipe. We'll try to get a closer look when we go on around. But you can see the bridge above it. So you could probably flow a lot of water across through there at one time. Okay, this sign here will explain it a little better. I'm not going to stand and read everything to you, but I did think it was pretty interesting that when the dam is full, it contains enough water to cover the entire state of Pennsylvania to a depth of 1 foot. So that's quite a bit of water. Alrighty. As you can see, that is a long ways down. Kind of pivot around here. See the power plant and everything down below. And up to the bridge, the bypass bridge. Up until 9 years ago, everything on this highway went across the top of the dam. 9 years ago, they put in this bridge. At the top of the bridge there is 890 feet till the floor at the bottom. Long ways down. You can see down at the bottom of the river. It's quite a ways down, quite the view. I could imagine the men that hung on the side of these rocks blowing them apart just on a single rope.
No, thank you.
Yes, you can still drive across the bridge. And if you can see right there, this side is Arizona. Right now it is 425. And then on the other side is Nevada. And it is currently 325.
While the dam was being constructed, it was originally intended to have tourists on it. A project on this scale was a pretty new thing, and then to say, hey, let's bring people down here and show it to everyone, completely new concept. So everywhere you see this marble terrazzo flooring was meant to be seen by visitors like you. We also have all of our original subway tiles here. Each of these tiles were handmade, and we have an architect-inspired lens. Again, all original. The first tours conducted here were on April 1st, 1937. Any guesses as to that ticket price?
5 cents.
5 cents could start a little low. 20, a little low. Quarter, yeah, 25 cents. So a little bit less than what you pay today. But in the 1930s, that was a lot of money, especially considering this was during the Great Depression. So a lot of people visiting were pretty well off, and of course nobody went anywhere in the 1930s without a suit, coat, and a dress. So throughout these tunnels here, we have these grates. There's always a concern sticking a tunnel straight through the middle of the dam. Got Lake Mead on that side, Colorado River on this side, and there might be water flowing through here. Well, fortunately, there wasn't a problem with water. But in those early years, as people dressed up to come out to visit us, we had a lot of ladies in heels, continually getting stuck in these grates. Real problem. Real solution? We filled in the grates. So we can all walk comfortably if we ever have a plug or screw. Spinning at 180 revolutions per minute, each generator can produce up to 130 megawatts for a total of 2,080 megawatts. This is enough electricity to power about 1.3 million homes. When a generator is in operation, the light on top is lit. Right now there are 7 going. These generators are 70 feet tall, but here you can only see the top 30 feet. Now looking up, spanning the top of this wing, you can see our 2 green bridge cranes. These original cranes are used for maintenance and to move equipment where needed. They ride on tracks that run the full length of this wing. There are 2 per wing, and each can lift 300 tons. To give you a visual, the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor weighs about 225 tons. 1 crane can lift it. When working together as a super crane, the 2 can lift 600 tons, which is necessary when we must install or remove a rotor. 1 rotor weighs just under 600 tons, and that's a rotor. So we removed this just a couple weeks ago for maintenance. Now the rotor is the piece that has the magnets on it to produce the electricity. Each of those pillars around the outer edge is a magnet. On average, our rotors here have about 40 of them, and each magnet weighs about 8,000 pounds, which is why these are so massive. Now looking down at the power plant floor just beyond the rotor, you see those reddish kind of brown half circles sitting in the floor? That is one of 2 Pelton water wheel generators. The other one's located in the Arizona wing. The Nevada side Pelton here became operational on September 11, 1936, when President Roosevelt remotely activated it from Washington, D.C. These generators produce 2.4 megawatts and supply all our in-house power, to include power for the lights, the elevators, my microphone, and the entire dam. Now looking down at the floor we're standing on, you'll again notice that beautiful Art Deco terrazzo marble flooring that was put in place in 1937 by the Martina family. It covers about 121,000 square feet of the power plant floor.
So this is the observation deck. Now to get the observation deck, you have to buy a ticket to the visitor center. And if you want to go to the generators, that's another ticket. Both of them together is $15, but it's well worth it. Imagine swinging on these walls, carving this out.
These brave characters, called ice skaters, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation.
Going to build the largest dam in the world. So I bought a car for $75 and took off for Las Vegas.
The drought just didn't seem to want to end. You can't survive on dry dirt. So I just up and left with my family in tow. Left the land with Daddy and Granddaddy. I've never worked construction before. I'm afraid of working hard.
Well, here's the visitor center. Like I said, it costs $10 to come into the visitor center. $15 if you want to go down below. There is a discount for 62 in veterans, which is $3 off the price of the ticket. Just to go over the dam itself, it's free. So that's another free thing you can do from Las. One last view of the upper portion of the dam and out across the lake. If you liked our video today, please subscribe. If you can, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Just